the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Naila Anjaniolia, and you can call me Miss Naila.
Hi, Miss Naila.
And how are you?
Good.
Okay, today we want to learn about understanding exposition text about digital issues. Okay, before we start the lesson, who wants to be lead the pray?
Miss.
Okay, Pony.
Okay, guys, before we start our class, let's pray together. Pray start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Pony. Look at the learning objectives that we want to be able, okay?
Yes, Miss.
The first, kalian harus bisa identify the main idea of exposition text. Are you ready to start?
Yes, Miss.
Before we learn more deep about the exposition text, there are warm-up questions. Pertanyaan pertama, what do you usually do on social media?
Miss.
Okay, Pony.
Okay, for question number 1, what usually I do in social media? I usually using social media to connect with my parents, with my friends, and also I usually use social media for learning, like reading, watching video, and etc.
Okay, thank you, Bonnie. Clap your hand for Bonnie. Okay, the next question. Do you think all information on the internet is true? Okay, Dira.
Do you think all information on the internet is true? My answer is tidak. No.
Okay, the last question. Have you ever seen fake news online?
Meaning,
Okay, Afifa.
yes, like the information drinking ice water causes the flu. In fact, the flu is caused by a virus.
Okay, guys, please be active in this class today, okay?
Yes, miss.
Do you see the picture?
Yes, miss.
Okay, what kind of this picture? Okay, hitting comment. So today, apa sih exposition text itu? Nah, exposition text is a text that explains ideas or opinions. The purpose of this exposition text. How much purpose in this exposition text? What's the first?
To inform, to explain, to give arguments or opinions.
You guys already know about the exposition text?
Yes, miss.
We have to reading time. Do you like reading?
Yes, miss.
This topic about the social media in digital era. So maybe Reski, do you want to read the first paragraph?
In today's digital era, social media has become an important part of people's daily lives. Many students use platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to get information and communicate with others. However, not all information found on social media is true. One of the biggest problems is the spread of hoaxes.
Okay, and Dira, the last paragraph.
In conclusion, classes are dangerous because they can mislead people and cause serious problem. Students should always check the accuracy of information before sharing it with others.
Oke. Nah, jadi dari tes ini kita mendapatkan beberapa kosakata baru. Fake information. Trustworthy. Share widely. Careful in thinking. Unclear situation. I wanted to write this question in your paper right now. There are 3 questions based on the text that you have to been read before. I wanted to read again the text fully, and please answer these questions. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes. Finish, guys.
Yes,
Once answer the first question.
Miss.
Okay, Pony again.
Question number 1. What is the main idea of the text? So after I read the text, I found the main idea of the text is to tell about using social media, and then the information in social media.
Okay, number 2. Reski, number 2.
Looking for the details of the text. Tentang orang-orang menggunakan sosial media dan posting segala hal atau memikirkan didapat baik dan buruk dari posting dan juga sosial media juga tempat saling berita-berita hoax sebagai media yang
Okay. Maybe Afifa answer the number 3.
What issue is discussed? The text is discussed about hoax or false information in social media.
Now we have a group discussion. I will divide it into 2 groups. The group 1 and the group 2. Okay. So in this group discussion, I want to discuss about these 3 topics. The first, have you ever seen a hoax? If you have, nah, what did you do? Jika kalian ever seen a hoax information. Nah, dan yang ketiga, why should we check information online? Okay? So, now I wanted to discuss in your group about these 3 topics. I will give you 7 minutes to discuss. Finish. Finish, guys?
Yes, Miss.
I want every group to express their opinions about these 3 things, okay?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, the group 1. I want to listen your opinions from your discussion in your group members.
I think yes, because when we scroll social media, we usually seen the posts that people share like in the platform on social media, and also so many information that I think when we read the information, or when we share, we want to share the information, we must to check the source of the information, and then the accuracy of the information is true, or and apakah informasi itu
benar untuk kita bagikan supaya kita tidak menyebar informasi hoax juga. Okay.
Why should we check information online? We should check information online to avoid spreading fake information. Checking information also helps us stay safe and make better decisions.
Okay, thank you the group 1. Tepuk tangan untuk group 1. Okay. Now the group 2. I wanted to express your every opinions about this topic, okay?
Have you ever seen a hoax? So my suggestion is yes, I have ever seen a hoax on social media.
I didn't really believe it, so maybe I checked the internet, and maybe I found some reliable source.
Okay, thank you, Miss. We should check information online because not everything in internet is true, and we're not going to judge someone easily if the hoax is about someone. And also, false information can make people misunderstood things, panic, and even spread hate. Like I said before, we're going to judge someone easily. So by checking facts, it helps us to become more careful and responsible internet users.
Okay, thank you group 2. Tepuk tangan untuk group 2. Kita baru saja melakukan group discussion. So, jadi kalian sudah bisa lebih express your opinions about the topic what I give, right?
Yes, Miss.
Because the topic is so related in your daily life. So, our meeting today, we do a lot of activities. So, the last activities that we should do is I wanted to give a reflection about our meeting today, okay? So, the reflection is simple. I just wanted to write one new thing you learned today. Okay, in your paper. Finish?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I want to one by one to give the reflection about our meeting today. Maybe start from Ardina.
So what you can learn today is that hoax can spread very fast online because many people believing and sharing information without checking if it's true or not, and it made me realize that we should be more careful before believing or sharing information on the internet. That's it.
Okay, thank you, Ardina. Okay, Reski, what's your reflection today?
I learned about how the internet can become breeding ground for hoax news, and a person must be smart in using social media or the internet, and so as not to fall for something wrong.
Okay, thank you, Reski and Rivaldi.
So my reflection today, one new thing I learned today is that social media hoax can spread very quickly. So we need to be careful and always check information before believing or sharing it.
The new thing I learned today is there is a lot of false information on social media, so we must be careful about believing information on social media, and we should check the truth of the information carefully before trusting it.
Okay.
We did believe every information that we seen on social media.
Okay. Thank you, Dira. And the last pony, what's your one new thing?
So after we learn and discuss about social media, and I found one new information is about when we using social media, we didn't using it to share of our.
Thank you guys for your reflections. How about our activities today? Is it interesting?
Yes!
For the next meeting, I will give you a homework. Maybe that's all for our meeting today, and thank you about your good participation and attention for the materials in the exposition text. Maybe that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Like cherry blossoms blooming in the mountain in